Hi, this is Dennis and my new broken board generator. This is a simple yet powerful tool that helps to create board breaks of any shape and detalization in couple minutes. Here is a sample scene included with the package. First of all, you'll need to change some Substance Designer settings to be able to see the result. Go to Material, Definitions, select your shader and enable tessellation. This will bring up the material properties. Set scale to something around 200. This is extremely high value for original Substance Designer project, but it works good for our purposes. Also, you may want to increase tessellation factor to get rid of this noise on the side, but remember that it affects performance. Now we are set and ready. Let's remove all relief and take a look at the base shape. This shape is controlled by the input gradient, and the best way is to use curve node. You can see that the board cut repeats the curve shape, and you can easily change it as you want. However, you can use any other input, for example purling noise. Inside the node you can control the section height and width. Intact length parameter controls the balance between the broken part and the intact part of the board. Relief angle rotates the board cut. After you are happy with the cut shape, you can start adding details. Chip depth adds some chips on the side of the board. Coarse relief is used to break the smoothness of initial shape and make it more natural. Medium and fine relief introduce additional details. Use edge roundness if you want your board to have rounded edges. Finally, when you are happy with the break shape, you can use invert button to get profile for another side of break. The node has mask output that can be used for texturing, and the mask offset controls the offset of the mask from the original shape. This offset depends from the map resolution and the mesh tessellation and may vary. The value of 1.7 works well for my setup. When your shape is ready, you'll need to export the height map. Be sure to use 16 bits per channel or HDR low precision to get good results in ZBrush. Set the output format to PSD. Let's now go to ZBrush. If you wish, you can use any other software where you can apply displacement. In Lightbox, open Tool, Image Plane and select Polyplane Z tool. Put the plane to the canvas, enter Edit mode and add desirable subdivision amount. 6 works fine for me. Then go to Texture Map and create new texture. After this, go to Displacement Map and import PSD file generated by Substance Designer. Set displacement intensity to maximum value of 8. Apply displacement map, and here is your broken board geometry. You can use any other intensity if you need. 8 works well for this particular situation. Now let's push it further. Go to Subtool tab and duplicate your subtool. Switch to the original subtool and undo displacement with Applied. I've already did this, but you'll need to go back to Designer, set invert parameter to true and re-export height map. Go back to Displacement Map tab and replace the file with PSD file for the other side. Then set intensity to same but negative value and apply displacement map. Now you can move this subtool up and you will see that the overall shape of the break on both sides is identical. At the same time, fine details do not repeat each other exactly, what gives natural imperfection. Finally, you can go to the texture map and apply a mask made by a generator, which will give you a mask for the broken wood area and make your texturing process much easier. That's all for this video. I hope you'll find this generator useful and it will save you a lot of time. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.